Everybody hear me? Whoa, step back. Hello? Check, that better? Okay.
We are here at EPCOT for park opening, as you can see. Yo, bro. And we are boarding past 1 for Guardians Galaxy, which means that we are going on right now, and I cannot wait. And it's weird because we were able to get my brother, who was on boarding past 10, is also being given the right to go ahead straight away. So as soon as we go, we're all going on as a family, which is mint because we haven't done that for like the whole holiday so far. This is going to be amazing, and I cannot wait for Guardians of the Galaxy. There it is! Guardians of the Galaxy. Virtual queue. You excited, Jim?
Let's go, champ. Let's go.
So excited.
Oh my god, look at that, man. This is going to be amazing. I don't care if I feel sick.
Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar.
As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Oh, that was amazing. Really good, really good, really good. I've lost my words, really, to tell you the truth. Really well themed. Thought everything out. We got the song of... I don't even know what it's called.
Ring-a-ding-ding!
Well, kids absolutely loved it. He's got a baby Groot. Who's that, Seb? Groot! Yeah, really good. A tiny bit motion sick, but I expect it to feel worse, but wow, what a ride. Now we're on mission space, and thanks to my daughter,
We're on orange.
we're going on orange. That's why I advise that you pack ibuprofen and paracetamol, because that is exactly what I've packed, and that's exactly what I'm going to need after this. I am a massive space geek, so I can't wait to do this. I've done a few times and it's really good, but probably going to feel sick.
Let me introduce you to your spacecraft, the X-2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on.
Store personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach out and pull.
I love it, absolutely brilliant. But I was juicing. That was some major G-force. If you ever have any motion sickness and whatnot, think twice about going on it. I have terrible motion sickness. I managed to get out there without spewing. But it's a brilliant ride. Where's Gary Sinise though? What did Gary Sinise do?
They've removed him from the ride. But otherwise, absolutely brilliant. Finding Nemo and Friends. Always a classic ride. Nice and easy. Steady away. No G-force at all. Mine? 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 Crown pub is there. All archaic and thatched roofs. Nice big castles. Twining's tea though, yeah, it's okay. I'd rather Yorkshire. Sportsman shop. That's all I know, sportsman shop. Yorkshire County Fish Shop. And there's the ale stout, fully licensed. The telephone booth there. That's, I mean, I'll just tell you right now, it's not used for telephone in England at all. And we are in France. There's the Eiffel Tower in the background there. It's stunning, like, it is beautiful how they've made all this together. L'art de la cuisine française. See, I can say French. Look at that. The prices. Every one bottle of water, $3.75. Of course, we are in France because of Ratatouille. Looking forward to this. Wasn't here last time we were here. It's a 45-minute normal wait. But we are in the lightning lane. This is supposed to be a really good experience. Ratatouille is a brilliant film. Oh, crepes. I'd love a crepe right now. Pancakes. Just had poutine. Poutine. Oh, yes, please. That looks like that's busy. And there we are. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Gustoso.
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Ratatouille, really good. Really good immersive experience. Really felt like I was a rat sniffing all the scraps. Didn't expect it to be crazy. I don't know why I didn't expect that. But really good, really good. Lightning lane, got on within about 10 minutes. I'd definitely recommend that. The kids absolutely loved it as well. He enjoyed it as well.
Mission Space. Absolutely amazing. However, what happened to Gary Sinise?
All right, zip it.
No way. Loki, Freya, gods of the Vikings. Thor's on the other side. And there we are. We're there for Rosie. As you can see, the standby entrance is 75 minutes. So I'm glad we've light and laned this one.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day.
What did you think of the ride, Izzy? It was amazing. So, what did you think of the ride?
6 out of 100.
6 out of 100, apparently. What did you think?
I loved it. I thought it was really good. Loved it.
Very good. Very good animatronics as well. Really like that. Baby Sven. $29.99. Oh, beautiful dress. All the dresses you could possibly think here. The Anna dress is... I haven't got a clue. Is it in here? No.
When they're expensive, put them back.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Plaza de los Amigos. Wow. Loads of shops. These skulls are beautiful. How much are they? Wow. Look at them. Beautiful. I'm not even going to lift it up to have a look. Whoa. Oh, look at Dante. You can colour him in. How much is he? Dante. Coco pin. Can't remember his name. What's his name, is he?
Don't jack my chain, chamaco.
Ring-a-ding-ding!
Well, don't know where the price is on that. Oh, there you go. $11.99, $14.99, $14.99. Yellow and pink are the same price. That is massive. But he's huge. I like him. Don't touch him, yo. Oh, how cool's that cup? Oh, imagine me drinking tea in the morning out of that. $23. That is so cool. Grand Fiesta Tours. 3 Caballeros. Don't even know if I'm saying that right. One thing I wanted to buy today after being on like Guardians of the Galaxy, you can get little characters to sit on your side or your shoulder. My mum has actually just bought Remy, and I've seen Groot, but unfortunately there is no Groot. They have sold out in the whole of EPCOT. The only other one I would want is Little Grogu. Now, I don't think I'll be able to get there in EPCOT. I have to wait until tomorrow when we go back to Hollywood Studios. Otherwise, it's been a really good day. Really good day in EPCOT. We've got quite a few things done. So the plan is now to, back in the olden days, me and just the wife, we would have just done the full day ourselves. But obviously with the kids now, it's better to get them home, fed, watered, relax for a bit, out of the sun, because I mean this is 30-degree heat.
I've seen it before. It turns truth into lies. Oh, but I won't back down. I must stay on this road. I gotta know what I'm about.
Do you love it? This is your room.